caterpillar.
You're going to make a caterpillar. And how are you making your caterpillar?
With
egg cartons.
a carton and scissors.
Yeah,
And
you've
a
got scissors, you've got your craft box and your paint.
And some paints.
Yeah,
And
well
it
done.
was
What colour do you want to do your caterpillar?
pink.
You want to do pink?
Yeah!
Okay.
I love pink.
Right, so you want to do pink caterpillar, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'll get the paint ready and you do the caterpillar. So what you need to do is get an egg carton.
A carton from the egg.
Yeah, and you want to rip it down the bottom. Okay, be careful when you're doing it. Well done, paint it please.
Mommy,
Okay.
I think we're like
All of it. Be careful when you're doing it, okay? It's okay, don't worry, we'll fix it. Paint it first and then we'll fix it, okay?
So put some money in there.
Yeah, you want to paint all of it first and then we'll fix it.
Mom, can you do it for me?
Keep doing it, it's fun. Come on, you can do it. You're doing a good job.
I don't want to do this anymore. I want to do the other pink.
Paint the rest of it and
I
then
don't want to do that one now, but I want to do that one.
you want to do a different colour.
Yeah.
Pick it up. Yeah. Okay, you got it? You stick it here, in the front, there. No. So do one there. Good girl. And one there. Well done. Okay. Now we need to put these here. So we need to stick them on again.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll just twist them. Because caterpillars have them twisted, don't they?
No, they don't.
No, they don't?
No.
How do you want to do it?
Twist it.
Okay, ready? Right, you need to get some glue.
Keep it on.
You need to put the glue down here. So you need to put the glue here.
On the nose.
Yeah.
I can't do it.
You can, do you want some help?
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. There you go. Now stick your piping there. Okay, show me.
You're a king car. It's a car.
It's not a caterpillar. Is it a car now?
Yeah.
That's cool. Well done.
Look at my ear.